Hi everyone, welcome to a walkthrough of the brand new BeeEditor. This comes as the latest enhancement to the predictive marketing landscape, and I'm hoping by the end of my walkthrough today that you'll feel extremely comfortable with our latest enhancement and also feel excited to get in, try it, and create brand new beautiful templates right within predictive marketing. So let's get started. To access the BeeEditor, you'll pretty much go through a brand new, maybe a new email edition or existing one within predictive marketing in your campaign. Click the pencil and you'll reach this screen that I'm at now. Then you'll select create and select content. And from here, you'll notice a few brand new changes that are different from the classic editor. The first and foremost, you have email content, which you'll see here. It's pretty much everything that you've been working on and have saved within predictive marketing. The second tab at the top are saved templates. So think of these as maybe like your saved newsletters, announcement, promotional emails, welcome series, whatever you've been working on in terms of a template. This is where the saved templates will go. The pre-built templates, these are provided by our partnership with BeePro, where they have provided us with 9 of them. But as always, and highly recommended from an email marketing biz dev standpoint, definitely create your branding from scratch here. Dynamic content is pretty much the equivalent to our complex element that you'll see here from the classic editor, but it's a more enhanced way of creating that. So think of these as more like your static pieces of content. For example, maybe elements within the footer or header that you want to stay consistent. This is where you would come to create those. I'm actually going to start by demonstrating how to create dynamic content first so you can see how it is added to the regular templates. So to create a dynamic piece of content, what you would do is pretty much click the create dynamic content from scratch. And within this screen, you'll notice a lot of new changes. So first and foremost, everything on the right side of the screen is accessible by a drag and drop method. We have made accessibility of our rows, of creating rows a lot easier for you. So you have a lot of different styles to choose from, but for today, I'll just pick the 2 side by side. And I'm going to add a piece of content here. So I'll add an image. Within the image library, you'll notice it's called File Manager. Here's where you will come to upload any photographs or GIFs, anything that would be necessary for the content you're creating, and you'll have an easy filing system within here. And you can even create different folders to organize your content. So for today, I'm going to just select this one. For the content block here, I'm going to just select text. And here I'm going to write sample text. If you click in the text box, you'll notice you have a lot of different functions here to make sure that your text looks according to your branding standards of things that you would like it to have. Also, if you stay within a text box, whether that be a text box or even title, you can select settings and set your default font, color, text, and also background colors so it stays consistent across your particular branding. So from here, I'm going to actually save my work and make sure you click the check mark every time you move along so you don't lose progress. And so now my piece of dynamic content was created, and I believe this is it right here. So now I'm actually going to add that to one of my templates that I was working on. So we're going to actually select create an email template here. I'm going to use this one that's already pre-made. And now I'm going to select dynamic content. I'm going to add it in this area here. I'm going to click this, select the dynamic content. So I'm going to use the one that I was just working on. From this screen here, you aren't able to see the preview of what it looks like on this screen. But when you go back to the eMaker, you'll be able to see what the dynamic content looks like once you go back there. But from this screen though, you are able to see a few other things. So this is your actual email template. You can see what this template looks like on a mobile device. You can also, again, add various elements. So we have GIFs now, stickers, HTML if you have coding that can be added, along with video links and even our social links, which everyone loves. You can actually adjust the way that they look. So they're the color, the way the icons look, so it fits your branding. And you can also add your social links all through here. And you can even add a few other ones that aren't listed. So if you have YouTube, maybe a TikTok, you can add that there too. So as always, click the checkbox to save your work. From here, you can save as a new template. I'm actually going to save it and go back to the eMaker now. I'm going to override the existing content. And as you can see, that is how the editor looks. So a few things to note. If you were using the classic editor in the past, there are a few changes that have been made. So the first and foremost, there are no more folders. So the best organizational method for this would be to use tags, which you'll find here, and you can access them you can also provide your content with tags by going to the little circle here with 3 dots that are vertical, clicking view details, and adding the tags as necessary and saving as you go. Another thing to note is that with the current edition, unfortunately, prior databases and any forms of content from previous editors will not translate over into the new editor nicely, so you will have to start fresh with your image and template library. However, there's no need to fear. Our support staff is here to assist in helping you create a few templates, or helping you rebuild them. We do provide a service for that. We can also help link to the images that you would like to upload, maybe in bulk, which you can download and upload into the new editor from the area that I did show you where you can find it. I'll show you that here within images. So I'm going to actually select that. So you can upload them here, and we can provide a link for you to do that. But this gives you, as an email marketer and digital marketer, the opportunity to declutter your libraries and also provide a fresh database of resources to make the process of creating your emails more efficient. As always, we thank you so much for taking the time to review the new BeeEditor for predictive marketing. Our support team will be here to guide you through the process. The transition officially begins now, and if you guys need access to any of your material from the former classical editor, we ask that you collect those things prior to August 31st, when the classic editor will be phased out. We do thank you so much for taking the time to listen and review the BeeEditor today, and we hope to answer any questions and guide you along this journey. Thank you so much for your time.